We're diving straight into the enchanting world of the various different limestone landscapes, ridgelands, rocklands, wetlands, coral reefs, and mangroves. Starting off with limestone landscapes. Limestone is a sedimentary rock composed mostly of calcium carbonate or CaCO3. In the Bahamas, limestone dominates the landscape, with much of it being oolitic limestone formed through biochemical precipitation in shallow tropical waters. A limestone landscape often features karst terrain. This distinctive scenery results from surface water dissolving and diverting underground. One key process here is carbonation. Rainwater combines with carbon dioxide to form carbonic acid, which dissolves limestone. Surface features include limestone pavements, bedding plains, and swallow holes. Meanwhile, underground features like stalactites, stalagmites, and underground rivers showcase the beauty of these landscapes. Ridgelands are highlands reaching up to 200 feet, formed during the Ice Age when low sea levels exposed the Bahamian Shelf. Wind-blown sediment, trapped by vegetation, eventually lithified into rock. Cat Island's Mount Alvernia boasts the highest ridgeland in the Bahamas at 206 feet. These ridgelands have influenced human settlement. They provide pockets of soil for agriculture and resources for mining industries. Caves, common in ridgelands, serve as shelters, educational sites, and even sources for ecotourism. They feature shafts, tunnels, caverns, and speleothems, which are structures formed in a cave by the deposition of minerals from water. Rocklands are flat, open rocky areas on the bankward sides of Pine Islands. Known as tropical karst landscapes, these regions contain acidic soils and diverse vegetation. Rockland features include sinkholes, blue holes, limestone crusts, and shallow lakes. Blue holes, like Dean's Blue Hole on Long Island, are large sinkholes formed during the Ice Age. Wetlands are areas partially covered with water throughout the year. They include tidal flats, creeks, lagoons, lakes, and swamps. These wetlands play vital roles, from flood control to biodiversity conservation. Species like Bataphora aid mangrove ecosystems, while wetlands provide habitats and water supplies. Coral reefs are massive structures formed by coral polyps and calcium carbonate. Found in clear, shallow, and warm waters, reefs come in four types: fringing, barrier, atolls, and patch reefs. Coral reefs regulate the climate by absorbing carbon dioxide, produce sand through weathering, and support industries like tourism and fishing. However, they're under threat from dredging, invasive species, and illegal fishing. Mangroves face challenges like deforestation, pollution, and climate change. Conservation efforts include replanting, minimizing pollution, and raising public awareness. These landscapes and ecosystems are not just beautiful, but essential to our planet. Let's protect and appreciate them together. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe. Check out the other videos on our geography series for more.